that Osama bin Laden is dead, but the butcher of Gujarat lives. And he is the Prime Minister of India.
Controversial comment that has been made by the Pakistani Foreign Minister. We have seen a range of protests taking place, and it seems to be mounting in Jammu as well, as protests has been witnessed this morning and protests that are happening right now as well. Pradeep, get us the live pictures, please.
Right now you can see the protest has once again started here in Jammu. Morning there was Yuva Bharatiya Janata Party. Now this time the Dogra front leaders, they are protesting against Bilawal Bhutto's ridiculous, obnoxious and irresponsible statement.
Have the sense to stand and talk in the United Nations. You should never go there. 34 साल के छोटे से लड़के को अपने वहाँ भेज दिया, जिसको ये नहीं पता कि दूसरे देश के प्रधानमंत्री को किस प्रकार से एड्रेस करते हैं.
बिलावल भुट्टो का तन से सर कोई जुदा करेगा, उसको मैं 2 करोड़ रुपए दूंगा अपनी तरफ से. ये मेरा ऐलान है.
To remind the Honourable Foreign Minister or the Minister for External Affairs of India that Osama bin Laden is dead, but the butcher of Gujarat lives. And he is the Prime Minister of India. He was banned from entering this country until he became Prime Minister. This is the Prime Minister of the RSS and the Foreign Minister of the RSS. What is the RSS? The RSS draws its inspiration from Hitler's SS. The RSS, I saw yesterday that the Foreign Minister of India was with the UN Secretary General inaugurating a statue of Gandhi. But if the Foreign Minister of India was being honest, then he knows as well as I that the RSS does not believe in Gandhi, in the ideology of Gandhi, in the manifesto of Gandhi. They do not see this individual as the founder of India. They hero worship the terrorist that assassinated Gandhi. Within India, who perpetuates terrorism? Is it Pakistan? Ask the people of Gujarat. They will say it's their Prime Minister. Ask the people of Kashmir. They will say the butcher of Gujarat is now the butcher of Kashmir. And I'm not talking about some imaginary past. I'm talking about today. They are not even attempting to wash the blood of people of Gujarat off their hands for their own election campaigns. They have pardoned. Prime Minister Modi and his government have used their authority to pardon the men who perpetrated rape against Muslims in Gujarat, who conducted the gang rape of women in Gujarat. Those rapists, those terrorists were freed, were pardoned by the Prime Minister of India. This is the truth of the matter. So in order for them to perpetuate their politics of hate, their Hindu supremacist transition from a secular India to the Hindu supremacist India, this narrative is very important for them. It's very important for them domestically, and it's very important for them internationally. They demonize the people of Pakistan. They expect the world to believe that we are all terrorists. I know we are not, and I have presented this dossier. I'm not talking about whenever back Gujarat was. I'm talking about 2021, where we have proof that your government facilitated a terrorist attack in Pakistan. So I don't see how Pakistan is the epicenter of terrorism. I do believe that we are the victims of terrorism. If it's not the government of India, certainly the people of India have been victims of terrorism. The people of Afghanistan have been victims of terrorism. The people of the United States, the people of Europe have been the victims of terrorism. And it's for us to work together to combat the politics of hate, to combat whether it's Islamic extremism or Hindu extremism, to come together and face these challenges and not pursue narrow populism, religious populism, divisive politics domestically or internationally, and to further spread hate within communities. Otherwise, it's not just this generation, all the generations to come will continue in this cycle.